Guys, as you see, this is a C++ program to print this cross sign, right? So once I make compilation of this program to check for errors, and you see there is no error, and once I run it, you see this is an output of this program, right? And as you see, it's like what I already showed you. This one I already designed it on Notepad, right? This one. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to develop this C++ program to print this cross sign. So what you need to do is just keep watching until the end, and please don't miss subscribe to this channel. Also like this video, and also if you have any question or any idea, please let us know in the comment section. So we are not going to spend much more time. Let's get started. Hello guys, welcome back to C++ tutorials. We are still on pattern programs. Yeah, for those who attended our previous lesson, we learned about plus sign. We wrote a C++ program to print plus sign, right, by using for loop and if statement. So in this video, we are going to proceed our tutorials by writing a C++ program to print cross sign, right? It looks like this one, as you see on this notepad file. This one, we are going to write C++ program to print this cross sign, right? So to do this, also we need to use for loop and if statement as usual. So let us use for loop to make declaration and initialization of rows. Let's call it I and make initialization with 1 to mean I will start from 1, then I must be less than or equal to 5 to mean we will start from 1 to 5, then I must be increment like this. Then as the syntax of for loop, we need to open this loop, and inside of this loop we are going to create also another loop to formulate or control the columns, right? For int j, which is equal to also 1, our j also must be less than or equal to 5, and also j must be increment from 1 to 5. So now let us also open this loop. Then we need to use if condition so that we can set condition based on our output, right? Here before creating the condition, this line, this one from top left to bottom right, this one is where I is equal to column. For example, this is row 1 column 1, this one is row 2 column 2, so until to row 5 column 5, right? But this one from bottom left to right top corner is where I plus j is equal to 6. For example, when we take this one here is where row is 1 and column is 5. When we take 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. The same as like this one is where row is equal to number 5 but column is 1, and when we make summation it will be 6. The same case like this one, which is interior symbol is where row is equal to 3, column is equal to 3 to mean also the sum of row and column is 6. So here we have two conditions. First one is where I is equal to column, right? To mean if I is equal to j, right? This is the first condition. Or I plus j. Let me use brackets here so that can be computed accurately. I plus j is equal to 6, as we have seen. Then in this case we display star, right? South star like this, then space here like this. But if this condition is not satisfied, this one, either this or this one, in that case we display empty, just empty south, empty space like this. Yeah, like this. Then if these inside the loop are finished to execute, in that case we'll start a new line. That's why here you need to write statement of end line like this. So this is just a C++ program to print this. A pattern program looks like cross symbol, right, or multiplication symbol, right? So let us make compilation of this program to check whether there is some errors. Let us save it as cross like this dot cpp as C++. Check for errors. You see here there is some errors. Oh, of course, here as assignment operator we need to use the two signs. Remember, this one is used when we are initializing value to variable, but we need to pay attention about operators. Let us make compilation again. Now you see there is no other error. Let us run it to check an output. Yeah, you see? Yeah, this one. This is what we expected as an output, right? Yeah, this is what we want to print, and it's printed by this program, of course. So this is the end of today's lesson. Please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it to your colleagues so that they can get full access to our lessons. So let me see you in next video.